just going to use the box. Don't take the tamper-proof off. Not planning on selling this guy, so just redo the thermal paste. All the fun jazz before I do this. I just take a picture real quick just to make sure. There we go. Just to make sure I have everything back in the proper spot. Shaky hands. It's also going to probably get a little loud here in a bit once I get all this off. Just so I can take and spray out the fins. Just to clean it up. I've had this GPU since it came out, so it's time for a repaste anyways on this thing. Figured since I'm upgrading to a better GPU for gameplay, might as well just thermal paste all this so that way I don't have to deal with it in the future. Oh, do we have any wipes or anything?
What do you need, alcohol wipes?
Alcohol wipes would be good. I always do that. Now, fun part about these warranty stickers. You break it, and the warranty is no good. Well, I guess I'm breaking the seal. Thank you. Make sure I don't have any others. Didn't miss any. Every time. Pull that off. I'm always going to break them. Just be nice and they'll come off pretty easily. But as you can see, the paste actually isn't that bad. That dye though does not look like it's been getting thermal paste. Has not been nice. Now with these, I don't think I'm going to have to replace pads, which is nice. So, just going to clean up the dye. And this. As best as I can. That's good enough. Get this guy. Give it a good wipe down. Like I said, the thermal paste wasn't that bad, but alright. It's gonna get loud here for a second, guys. Nope, not the pads, the actual paste. My bad, I forgot to grab it. Alright. So, I'm using the, let's see if I can get it on camera here, the XTM60 thermal paste from Corsair. Never used it before. Hopefully it's good. With these dyes, just like a CPU, you don't need a lot. just to make sure it's on there good. Alright, so I'll just connect these guys back up. Same way they went on. Ooh. Little pins. Without bending them. There's one. Two. And three. Alright. Oop, almost forgot one. And four. Alright. Now, all I'm gonna do is line up everything. As best as I can. There we go. Well, I'm glad I didn't have to repaste everything. That would have sucked. Just had to redo for thermal temperatures on the die, which this card didn't run too hot anyways. Like, it ran hot on AAA games, but you know, that's to be expected. Make sure turn on these ones. Cool. Alright, now we're just putting everything back together how it was. Super quick, super easy. I like to do corners first. Woo. Now, the reason why I'm doing this on a box is static electricity. Cardboard does not give off static electricity. So it's just as a make sure thing. Shaky hand syndrome. almost done here, guys. So I'll probably just times 2 this. Later in the video.
Sweet, because I use sweet onion. I didn't use yellow or red. Use that bucket.
Okay. Now that's done. So we're gonna unbox this guy and I'll show you what I'm gonna do because I'm pretty sure my 2070 is a 2 and then I think this is a 2.5. So we'll find out here pretty quick.